ITS Enclosures offers various accessories to create the perfect enclosure solution. Introducing the HPD2 Hinged Printer Door. This add-on is compatible with NEMA 12 enclosures, like the IceStation TITAN PC enclosure and the PB20 Printer Cabinet. The 14-inch wide HPD2 features a gasketed Lexan Polycarbonate window with an easy-to-grab handle and heavy-duty magnets to maintain a tight seal on the closed door. The installation location is specified by the customer, and the hinged printer door can be hinged at the top or the bottom. With the HPD2, an operator can easily access printed documents without having to open a larger enclosure door. The hinged printer door is made in the USA and always completely assembled and ready to use upon delivery. Still have questions? Call 1-800-423-9911. Email info@itsenclosures.com or visit itsenclosures.com and click on the Products tab to find our full list of accessories.